Good day everyone, I am Marvin Bucala, the Scream Tree Section Bravo, and today we will be diving into the technical world of forensic science. Our focus is on the polygraph machine, commonly known as the lie detector. While many see it in movies, few understand the complex engineering behind it. In this video, we will discuss its key component, the sensors that monitor the human body and explain the specific functions of each part. Let's explore the mechanics of the truth-seeking.
Parts and functions of polygraph. Latch. A latch bolt, the movable tongue, a spring mechanism to keep it extended, and a strike plate on a door frame to receive it. Removable cover, designed to protect the sensitive components such as the paint systems and chart drive during transport and storage. Control panel, features specialized knobs and switches to calibrate, monitor, and record physiological responses. Accessories compartment cover, serves to protect, organize, and store essential testing components like sensors, tubes, and paints when not in use. Power cable provides the necessary electrical energy to operate the instruments, components, including the amplifier, sensors, and chart drive motor. Raised cuff assembly, an alternative cardiovascular sensor used to measure blood pressure and heart rate changes. Arm cuff assembly measures cardiovascular activity, specifically changes in blood pressure and heart rate, to detect physiological stress reaction to questions. Pinch clamp, to seal the pneumatic tubing after the arm cuff has been inflated. Hand pump relief valve allows the examiner to control the air pressure in the cardiograph cuff system. Hand pump valve assembly, using a compressible rubber pump with one-way valves to manually inflate pneumatic cuff. Pneumograph chest tube assembly, measures respiration by recording breathing patterns. Finger electrodes assembly, measure electrodermal activity, scans West conductivity to detect sympathetic nervous system arousal during a polygraph. Ink well filler, a component of the inking system used to manage the ink supply for the pins. Handle refers to a component that measures sweat gland activity, which is one of the key physiological indicators of stress or deceptions. Pin starter, make a permanent visual ink on paper record of the physiological responses, breathing, blood pressure, pulse, and skin resistance of the examined. Ink bottle, specialized containers often 1/4 full used in analog instruments to supply ink to pins via capillary tubes. Electrode jelly is a conductive substance applied to the skin electrode interface to enhance the accuracy of physiological recordings. Chart roll provides a continuous moving and synchronous paper record of physiological responses, usually at a speed of 2 inches per minute. Paint box, create a permanent ink on paper record of physiological responses.